In this video, I'm going to give you the exact AI prompts that you can use to earn up to $700 per sale affiliate commissions promoting our local video marketing affiliate program. You don't have to be some kind of fancy video editor. You don't have to have your own website. You don't have to know how to script videos. I'm going to give you prompts, so it's plug and play. You just copy and paste these prompts into the software that I tell you about, and it's going to create beautiful videos. You're going to upload these to your YouTube channel and earn evergreen affiliate commissions. So let's get into it. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. So here are all the prompts that I prepared for you. And how it's going to work is you're just going to copy and paste one of these prompts into a software called InVideo, and it's going to make the website, the video for you. Okay, so you don't have to be some fantastic video editor or even come up with any ideas. You're just going to take these prompts, and there's 10 of them here, and they're going to make the video for you. It's just copy and paste. It's that easy. So if you'd like to get these prompts, go ahead and comment prompts in the comments area, and I'll send you the list of prompts. So here's the software InVideo AI, and we're just going to copy and paste our prompt right into this prompt area. Now I'm going to put the link to this software in the description. Also, if you comment prompts, I'll give you the prompts, and I'll give you the link to the software, and I'll give you the link to join our affiliate program where you can earn up to $700 per sale. But here it is. It's as simple as this. Now I'm going to take one of these prompts, and I'm going to copy and paste it into this prompt area. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this prompt right here. The local SEO hack. No one is talking about it. I'm going to come back up here, okay, to InVideo, copy and paste it in. It's that simple. And I am going to click generate my video. Okay, now here you're going to have a choice. All right. Now I always choose YouTube. That's what I like to choose. But you could choose these other formats too if you want. And I choose basic because it costs the least. All right. Some of these others could end up asking you for extra money. So I choose for basic, and then I click generate, and it's going to make the video for me. Okay, so now we have the video here. I'm going to play it here real quick.
You need to hear this if you run a local business.
All right.
Video can push you into the map.
It's got, an AI voice. The AI voice is pretty good, and it's got things about local SEO. That's great. It's only like a 30-second video. All right, so it's a little blurb that you can use to promote your affiliate link. So one thing you might want to do too is edit it a little bit. Like, for example, you come over here to edit, and I didn't like the music. So there's all kinds of different music. I've uploaded my own. There's other music you could choose. That's some pretty funky music. So we'll go there and replace. And now it's got better music. Also, you can give it commands in here. And like I'm going to say use fade in between scenes. So I said use fade to transition in between scenes. I spelled things wrong horribly, but it'll still do it. And add TikTok style captions, right? So then I click here, and it's going to edit it just from what I'm telling it. And then it's going to have the new music, and it's going to have the TikTok style captions, and it's going to have nice transitions between scenes. So here we go. Let's check it out.
Short, optimized YouTube videos that target local keywords.
There we go.
City plus service landmarks and near me.
I've got the hipper music. I've got the TikTok style captions. It's already better. And if I want to go even further and edit it, I can, if I don't like any of these media, I can go here and change it. Okay. If I want, it's actually pretty good. So, but if I wanted to, I could go stock media, and I could change it with something down here. I could even look for something down here as well. Like here I typed local SEO. Say if I want to replace this with local SEO, now it replaced it, and I click apply and save changes, and it's going to replace that scene. And so you could get a little creative with it. You don't have to be some fantastic video editor. It makes it super easy for you. So that's how you create a video. See how fast that is. And you can make the videos different lengths. You know, it was 30 to 40 seconds in the prompt, but you could change that. You could make it a minute and a half if you want a little more detailed video, or you could make shorts format. That's good for TikTok and YouTube shorts as well. Just tell that in the prompt. Just tell them, make a shorts video. Okay. So that is how easy it is to make videos within video and our prompts. Okay. I want you to hear this one part where the video says comment local leads to get the full playbook, to get the ultimate guide to getting more clients for your local business, because that's going to get people to comment on your videos, and it's going to increase engagement and views. And hey, go ahead and comment prompts below. I'll give you the link to the software. I'll give you the prompts that I'm using, and I'll give you the link to sign up for our affiliate program where you can make up to $700 per sale. But you're going to do the same thing in your video. So here we go.
The full playbook.
You see?
Comment local leads, and I will
It's right there.
the ultimate guide to getting more clients for your local business.
See, you put the call to action there. So that's going to help you. And I put that in the prompts. Now I'm just going to come down here and download the video. And you have, I just keep it here, just exactly like it says. And I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to download this video. So here I go. I'm going to download the software right here. Here it is. So click here and save and download, which is pretty easy to do. So here's kind of a test channel I created. So I'm going to click upload video. I'm going to find that video. All right. Let's find it. Here it is. And I'm going to upload it to YouTube. So now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT create a better title for me and an SEO optimized description for the video with hashtags and tags. So let's see what happens here. So we're letting AI do all this work. Okay. Now it's giving me a whole bunch of different titles, headlines that I can use. Okay. They think this one is the best here. So, okay, so we're going to use that. We're going to take their advice. So instead of this weird title, we're going to put this title here. There we go, the new title. Now we have an SEO optimized description. Okay, here we go. We're going to put this here. Right here is the description. And we're going to get the hashtags. All right, let's copy and paste that. This is copy and paste. That's all this is. I'm going to move my head out of the way. All right, now what we want is the hashtags. Let's get the hashtags. Copy. Come down here. Get the hashtags. I'm going to fill it all in. It's going to be all SEO optimized. And you can spend more time on this if you want, but I'm giving you a real shortcut. And here are all the hashtags. Now, let's go ahead and get the tags. Ready to go. Come back here. Here, let's do it right, okay? I have playlists. I just created one on this channel, but you can create a playlist that helps with your SEO, helps organize your videos. No, it's not made for kids. And this is going to be an important one. You come down here, and yes, we are using AI video. So click yes on altered content. Okay, it's okay. And now for the tags, you put here. Now, personally, I always put up here, and you could do a thumbnail too if you want. You can use Canva to do that if you want. All right. And you come down here, and we are good to go. License, I always put Creative Commons because I'm fine with people using my video. As long as it gets the word out about me, that's fine. You do whatever you want. So I come here, I click, okay, add an end screen. I always use a playlist as the end screen, okay? And again, this is just a basic guide. You can get fancier if you want. And you go here, next. Now you can do unlisted or public. Let's do public so we can see it. Sometimes it's good just leave it unlisted for a while and then make it public. Okay. Or you can schedule it, right? So go ahead. And now we've got the video. Here it is. Not a very good thumbnail. We probably want to change that. Here it is. Okay. It's on YouTube. How hard is that? Now, there's something else you should do, right? What you should do is put your affiliate link here. You see, I put it at the top of the description. Okay. Now, another place you should put it
You need to hear this
is in the comments. Okay. So here you go. Get the ultimate guide to getting more clients for your local business. Put a comment here. You can make it pinned. Okay. All right. I have to verify on this channel. It's just test channel. So you might want to verify, but it doesn't matter. Here it is. And you got the link here. You've got the link at the top of your description. And then when people comment, you can also give them the links. Okay. This works really well. You also want to come here to where it says customize your channel, and you want to fill this out as much as possible. Put all your links there. Okay. You can add different links. See all the links you can add. You can add links here, add links to your affiliate program or other programs as well. Okay. You put your affiliate link right there, and you can also choose a channel trailer on the home tab. So if I want this to be the channel trailer, I can choose it. So this is basically this test channel I have, but you can put your affiliate link here on the channel, the description, and other links as well. And I think you have to verify to do the trailer on the channel, but whatever, that's fine. You customize the channel as much as you want. Go ahead and verify. It's easy. And then you just keep uploading videos about local marketing. You can use ChatGPT to get even more ideas. I've got 10 ideas there for you, and you keep uploading it. And then you can go to Facebook groups about small businesses and share these videos with local business owners to start getting traffic. So this is just to get you started on YouTube promoting video marketing for local businesses. And earning big commissions. You know, we pay up to $700 commission. So go ahead and comment prompts down below. I will send you the link to get the software. I will send you the prompts, and I will send you the link to join our affiliate program for free, where you could earn up to $700 commission. So we're adding more services as well to Top Rank Video, some that pay recurring commissions, and we're going to be adding things like AI agents. We already have a reputation management system that pays $50 a month as well. So there's a lot more going to be happening. And once a customer is your customer, he's your customer for life. So no matter what they order off our site, you earn commission. So go ahead, comment prompts below. I'll send you all the information, and we'll get you started on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Also, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much.